Yo, real quick, Facebook, what's good? It's popping. Alright, black as fuck. This is what we gonna do. 2012, right? Niggas think they doing shit, huh? Peep game, niggas think they doing shit 2012, huh? You know what I'm saying? Niggas ain't doing shit, son. Peep game. Blue tubes, two blue tubes, nigga. Oh my, yeah. You know, you tell nigga, yeah, that's tight, nigga. But you know what? What can I say? Bam! Hello? What's good? Yes, I copped it. Walmart 1609. You can plug your phone into it. Nigga said, and yo, nigga said Bluetooth. Go ahead, you did y'all Bluetooth. Everybody got Bluetooth. Everybody got Bluetooth. Everybody got like something around their neck. The new Sprint shit's hot. That's tough though. The new Sprint shit go around your neck. You can click it on. Music. Tough. All that's tight. All that's tight. Well, I mean, y'all niggas got this. Yo, I got this. I did from another nigga. Now, you can go out there and get yourself on Walmart. P game. Hello. That's good. We're popping, chilling. We ain't dropping. Yeah, already. Get one. Hey, just saying. Nigga, right, for real. Loaded on and protect us. One of a kind. For real.